Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja. I will be your examiner for this part of the test, and this test will be recorded. What is your full name?
My name is Sandeep Kaur.
How may I call you?
You can call me by my first name Sandeep.
May I see your ID, Sandeep?
Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you. Where do you come from?
I come from Purmazra. It is a very small village in Haryana and situated in the northern part of India.
Do you like this place?
Yes, definitely, because that is my birthplace and I live there, and there are facilities which provided to the individuals.
Can you describe your hometown a little?
Yes, indeed, as I lives there, and that is a very small village and many facilities that provided to the individuals like health, education, and shopping facilities. On the other hand, there is also a renowned place that is a Sikh temple.
Okay. Few questions will be based on clothing and fashion. Are you very interested in fashion and clothes?
Yes, definitely, as I always know about the trend and which clothes suits on me, I always want to prefer that clothes.
Do you have lots of nice clothes?
Yes, indeed. As I always go for many reasons out of the house. So at that time, I wear very nice clothes and I have lot of clothes which suits on me.
Okay. What kind of clothes do you usually wear?
I usually wear that type of clothes which suits on me and in which I feel very comfortable.
Do you like to wear fashionable clothes?
Yes, definitely, because these clothes are very attractive, and even on the other hand, I also wear that type of clothes that are not fashionable but suits on me.
Okay. How often do you go for shopping for clothes?
Well, I am a shopaholic person. If I need something and I have no any clothes to wear, so at that time I go for the shopping.
How often do you buy clothes online?
If I talk about the online, it was when I need something and that is not available on the market. At that time, I do online shopping.
Okay. So few questions will be based on texting messages. Do you like texting?
Yes, definitely, because it is a that method in which we do conversation with the another person.
Okay. Do you prefer sending or receiving messages?
I prefer both because both are very equal, and if somebody have an emergency, so they also text us, and if we have any emergency, so we also give message to the another person.
Okay, Sandeep. This is your cue card. And if you wish, you can make some notes. You'll be given 1 minute and you have to speak 2 minutes.
Well, I always believe a life without imagination is like a life without colors, and their day-to-day life, everyone use imagination in their life. So here I would like to talk about a time when I need my own imagination. It was the time when I was in ninth standard. At that time, our principal ma'am announced that she organized an exhibition for all the students, and I was shocked at that time because it was compulsory. And before that, I did not made any model, and I was not familiar with the paintings and or even art. After that, I was so bundle of the nervous between these. Then I discussed everything with my class in charge, so she helped me a lot, and she told me that she stand by me. On the other hand, I also take a sigh of relief because she helped me. And after that, I used my own imagination, and I thought that I made the model on the Punjabi culture as I belong to a Sikh family, so it is a very easy for me. Then I used imagination and I thought I made the model. After that, I made model and I made that how in the past women doing their work and doing their domestic chores, and they served the food to the family members. On the other hand, I made that in the past how men sitting under the tree and did conversation with their family members and with their relatives and with the another peoples, and just played some games. Moreover, if I talk about a jewelry, I also made this that in the past how king and queen wear jewelry, and about the local people that how they wear the jewelry. So in last, I would say that this is the imagination. This is the time in which I use my imagination, and I was on the top of the world at that time, because all my friends and my family members are very glad when they see this model that I used my own imagination and made it.
Do you think adults can have lots of imagination?
Yes, indeed. But if I talk about not the adults, but also the also the teenagers and also the old people, children, all have a lot of imaginations.
Do you think imagination is necessary for scientists?
Yes, and yes, it is very necessary, because they do a lot of work for our world. So they also do some work, and in which they have a lot of imagination to use that time.
What kind of jobs need imagination?
Imagination is a that thing, and it is a that thing that are used in every field. Like if we talk about the teacher, scientist, and even the other person, businessman, they all have to use the imaginations,
Why?
because it is a very necessary. Like if we talk about the businessman, so if they not use their imagination, so how they make the products. So in this way, imagination is a very prominent role, play a prominent.
What subjects are helpful for people's imagination?
If we talk about the imaginations, like the scientist, if we science is a main thing in which we use our imagination, and we also learn many things from the science, that we how we imagine things in our life.
Thank you, Sandeep.